Yes, like, yeah. What's up, YouTube? I'm back and I am doing wig reviews again. My name is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video, I'll be doing obviously a wig review. This is a synthetic unit from Sensationnal. It is called Zelena. It's from their Cloud 9 Swiss Lace collection, and I'm here to review it. So first of all, before we get into the install, I just want to give you all the deets. It's a 13x6 when it has 6-inch parting. It's a little less lace right here, but it's full lace all in this circular area, which I absolutely love. It is plucked to the god. Baby hairs, so I just went and I just swooped a little bit of the baby hairs. Nothing too crazy, just something. I just did some swooped and duped, some super quick. I absolutely love this unit. I was originally going to get this unit in the color black, but I decided to go with some color. So I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's called the flamboyage. I don't know, flamboyage chocolate. I have it in a flamboyage chocolate, and I absolutely love this unit. I did go and use my hot comb on 450, so it is definitely heat friendly. The lace is it's like a mimic of HD. Wow, it says HD lace. Yes, so it's I think it's a mimic though, but it's HD lace. Because when I tell you, baby, when you come up on me, you're gonna be like, what lace? Because the lace does not exist. Like, legit does not exist. Minimal tangling. You know, with these synthetic wigs, you have to brush through them and stuff like that. As I'm going like this, I'm getting a little bit of shedding, not too much, but like I always tell people, if you're okay with shedding, synthetic wigs are going to shed regardless or not, and they're going to tangle, so it's up to you whether you want to deal with it or not. I did go and frame the ends and fringe the ends a little bit with my scissors, so that hair was coming out. But other than that, I think that it's you should be good. It's great. Definitely love the color. I feel like 2023 is the year of colors, so baby girl, make sure that you're wearing colors because we're doing colors this year. Ain't no more black hair. No, you got to spice up and do some color. And after seeing this unit, I think that I'm going to be doing color a lot more than I usually do, because this is giving. It's a giving $400 wig. Like, it's giving I spent a lot of money on this wig and to get it installed. Like, period. So anyways, let me get into the install portion, and I will see you guys after that. Sometimes it's hard to tell, so you may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me, but I don't have the strength. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the install portion. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.